Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Joey, and today I'm so excited to be bringing you the second of the two major renovations on my YouTube channel so far. And today we are going to be renovating the guest room / office in my home. I'm so excited for today's video, so let's get right into it. So first things first, this is the before of the room. Now you can see it is a nice room and has a nice window with some nice natural light, but it does need some work and some decluttering. And it's also definitely not in the place to have a guest, so we need to make sure it's ready for our guests when they arrive. So now the first thing that I'm going to start to do is I'm going to first remove this lamp and then some of the furniture and all the other clutter, and after that I'm going to start organizing the wires and just make sure that it's all cleared out so we can go ahead and start this renovation. Now the next thing that I did was I went and found this piece of furniture on Amazon that I thought would work well in this space, and I measured it out and taped it on the ground like in most of my renovations. I also taped the height up on the wall and then the height of the cushion on the little nightstand or side table next to it. This is just so I can get an idea and a feel for the space, and I ended up thinking that this was a great fit for the space. It's furniture day now, and the tape is up, and now we're ready to unbox the furniture. Now this piece I got off of Amazon, and it was a very good deal. It was also very easy to put together and only took an hour. I also liked how it came in two separate boxes, so it wasn't one giant big box that was very heavy. So it kind of split the weight into two. This piece that I did end up picking was the L-shape sectional from Amazon, and I'll have it linked down below. It's also in the white finish. Now, once you get these cushions unpackaged from the vacuum sealed bags, you're supposed to let them sit out for 24 hours so they get to their maximum puffiness and expand all the way. The next products that I got were these pillow covers and pillow inserts from Temu. Now these inserts are one size bigger than the cover, which is a very good tip if you're buying pillows, because it just gives a more full look and makes it look a lot more high-end. The next thing that I'm doing is I'm going to be hammering a nail into the wall for these two art pieces that I made. So you can go check out my other video for how I made these art pieces, but I love the blue color and it definitely matches the rest of the room. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is taking down this old curtain and curtain rod because it definitely doesn't fit the space anymore. So I got these new curtains from Amazon and these are in the natural linen look. I'll have them linked down below as well. And they also feel very high quality. This gold curtain rod I also got is from Temu, and it is also a tension rod, so it could be used as both. Now, the major reason I picked out this sectional is because it has the storage right in the L shape, and then it pulls out right into a bed. So right here you can see the process of converting it into a bed, and this will be perfect for our guests. These white sheets are also from Temu, and the comforter is from Amazon. So now that we have everything all ready for our guests, here is the final reveal. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'm so excited of how it turned out. Please make sure to watch some of my other videos, and if you liked any particular thing, you can drop a like below and comment exactly what you liked. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thanks for watching.